Forests. Nature at your service. Forests cover 1/3 of Earth's land area. At the heart of humanity's life support systems, they perform vital functions that make our planet habitable. Without them, we would struggle to survive. It's well known that forests play a key role in our battle against climate change, storing carbon while sucking in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and locking it into their biomass. But what's less well known is that the products and services they provide are essential to every aspect of life. By regulating water for many of the world's rivers, they help secure water quality and supply nearly half of the world's largest cities from Caracas to New York. They also help decrease the impact of storms and floods while helping control erosion. As the most biologically diverse ecosystems on land, forests are home to more than half of terrestrial species, from the great apes to the smallest of creatures. At the same time, they provide homes, security, and livelihood for 60 million indigenous people, whilst contributing to the livelihood of 1.6 billion people worldwide. The impact of forests reaches even further. In many developing countries, more than 80% of total energy consumed by people and industry derives from forests in the form of fuel wood and charcoal. Trade in timber and other forest products is estimated at almost $330 billion a year. The value of the forest multiplies as it's processed into a myriad of products used globally every day. Utilization of its genetic diversity enables the development of new medicines, progress in healthcare and science. For all 7 billion of us, every aspect of our quality of life is intrinsically linked to the health of forests. Each of us can play a role in protecting this vital life support system. Celebrate World Environment Day and take action for forests. Register your activity at www.unep.org/wed. Every year, everywhere, everyone.